Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm playing some more Demolition 3. They finally added some more levels. I told you we're gonna have more levels, man. That was right. So seems like they're both Demolition Derby. No, well, one's Demolition Derby based and one more is racing based. But we're doing the fifth one, which is Demolition Derby based. So oh boy, how many cars I have? All right. Grand Mark. Okay, so it was a decent lineup. Because I hope it's decent. Which one will be the best one? I'd say the Grand Canyon probably the best one for this. Alright, let's do this. Stupid advertisement. Okay, thank God I can skip it that easily. Alright, another rooftop rumble level. Fine, I can work with this. The server to gaming laggy. Oh God. Alright, let's wreck these fools. If I can touch them, thank you. Ow. I know I should wear armor, I know, but it kind of feels like it would be a little too easy almost, so I figured, why not just have the car itself? But my cars are meant to be racing cars, not Demolition Derby cars. Even the ones that are heavily Demolition Derby based, but, I mean, sure, whatever. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's not a very good hit, but oh well. Can I hit you? Please? Oh my goodness. Thank you. God. Zoe's been destroyed. Alright. We're getting somewhere now. Oh crap. Yeah, we're almost dead too. So am I. Good grief, people. I think I might as well just leave them alone, just let them mess up each other. Oh God. There's one guy that's in the yellowish green. Or yellowish green. Or darkest green. That's what I meant. Oh my lord. Alright, where's our last guy at? Seems to be in the wreckage. Where are you at? Where are you at, huh? Oh crap, you're right there. He's trapped in there. Boom! Oh, I got him good. I freaking re-earned him like it was no tomorrow. Kill you, Heidi. Kill you. Yeah. Oh, you wanna play games? I'm watching you, boy. I'm watching you, boy. Gosh. Die. Oh my God. You are going down. You are going down. I don't care. You're going down, kid. Ha, you missed. Oh crap. Alright, where are you at? Oh, I see you. You are... Like, we're both bad at this Demolition Derby mode. We keep missing each other. It's gonna make the video go on for so long. I have to make like a freaking like a second half to this part. If things keep going this way, I hope not. Oh my God! Just end this match already, man. I don't even care anymore. Thank you. Oh, I got second. Oh well. I think everyone has the most durability. I'm gonna go with this car this time.
I'm Spider-Man.
No, you're not Spider-Man. You're gonna, yep. Oh, jeez. Rip. Oh no, this is on dirt. Okay, no, it's not on dirt. Thank God. Yeah, like I was so worried it's gonna be on dirt. My God, it's not this small. Oh no. Kind of small. Okay, never mind. It's not that small, thankfully. What is going on with the wall over there? Saw it glitching out for a second there. Oh God! That's what I get for looking at the wall. That's what I get. Go here, dang it! Oh crap! Wait right there, man. Oh my goodness. Get over here. Boom! Oh, that T-bone was so good. I don't know if they had some new AI into it or not. I'm actually kind of curious if they did. I don't know if they did or not, though. Boom. Bam. Oh, crap. My front is so destroyed. I need to let them destroy each other, but the video going on for so dang long, it'd be boring. Why let that hit me? Why? The clones keep running into those dang, containers. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see you! Boom! Alright, Sam has been destroyed. Boom! Oh, slow down there. I'm just gonna. I was going after him. Get over here. Oh, my car cannot turn as well with him. Unfortunately, dang it. I keep going in constant circles. It's getting annoying. Maybe the AI's making me do it because they keep going on the stupid containers. Oh my goodness, Zoe. Thank goodness it's spring break right now, you know? I really needed this break from all the freaking homework and crap I had to deal with. Where are we at? Oh, there we are. Oh my goodness. Alright, Jesse's been destroyed, alright. Now who's left? Who was the one guy that's left? Oh, it's him. Slow down there, pal. He hit this guy. The camera, man. The flipping camera. It's gonna screw me over. There we go. And at least somewhat. Come on. Oh crap. That could have costed me right there. Hi, Rusty. Oh my goodness, Rusty, quit. You and the Rusty Parks, or TV Parks logo. Oh my goodness. Get over! Oh. I keep missing him every time. Good lord. Please. Oh, come on. I didn't end him right there. Whatever. Whatever. Nope. Not when that happened to me. Oh, God. Oh, I keep missing him, man. That's it. Get over here. Oh, God. Yeah, thank God I won that one. Alright. That's pretty good. I got first place. Thank God. Alright, so hopefully I'll do better in the races, cause oh good lord. Wait, is the tournament over yet? I gotta check. Or no, I meant the match. Yep, okay, it's over. Alright. So see you guys next time for Ancient Breakdown. That's gonna be interesting.